Hi everybody, Logan Jr. Chef here, and today I am making shrimp and grits. Now today I'm using these great stone ground grits. Now right here I have some roasted celery root. Chop up my onion. Now you have to use onion, just because, it's onion. And now I'm going to work on my peppers. Now these are some great heirloom tomatoes I got. This little chunk of butter. Always need to be using good butter. Take my ingredients. I need to add my black eyed peas. Give it a nice little stir. See, you just kind of get a nice saute on it. I'm going to add some garlic. And next I'm going to add my celery root that I roasted already. I can really get this going. Now, I really love thyme. It's just a great herb. I know that you don't have that much time for them. Now I'm going to add a pinch of smoked salt. Because, I just love smoked salt. I'm also going to add in some smoked paprika. Now, I made this great seafood stock. Now, I used some lobster shells. I used some shrimp shells. Now, whenever you're really cooking southern, you gotta have your bottle of hot sauce. And our grits have finally firmed up real nice. Now, I'm gonna add my cheese. The shrimp that I have here are some wild-caught Key West shrimp. I also have some little baby bay scallops right here. Now, I just like scallops. They're not really in traditional shrimp and grits, but I really like them. Just gonna toss it in. Really see that great sear I have on some of these scallops. Just gotta make sure that I get both sides. Seafood stock. You really don't want to skimp on the grits. They're just great. Get the vegetables on there. And I'm gonna put them in. Now, this guy looks really nice. So I really want this to look nice. And this is my take on a Southern classic. And follow me on all the social media. It's all Logan Jr. Chef. I'll catch you on the flip side. Bye.